Who Are You is Beer Drank, and this is gonna be the most easy video that I've ever done because it's an unboxing video. Shout out to my homeboy Booker Leslie from Instagram as well as YouTube. He does craft beer reviews, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. He sent me a pack. Your pack's on the way. Let's go ahead and see what he sent. Boom, boom. See, he knows how to pack. This is a proper package. And I open it upside down. And already I have a problem with this because it looks like he sent me 8 beers when I only sent him 6. This is the most unprofessional unboxing ever. But first off, he got, I've been seeing this one a lot. Good Looks, Tart Strawberry M43. Got that there. And then we got this More Brewing Company. I never heard of More Brewing Company or More Brewing Company. Looking good. Good Looks book, man, real shit. Then we got Phase 3, Sour Ale with Fruit. I'm pretty sure I know why he sent that because he knows that I'm a fan of that sour shit. 5.4 ABV, strawberry and lemon, word. Hop Butcher. Look at that can right there. Look at that can art. That's fucking crazy. Tavern Cut. That's dope cannage right there though, real shit. I don't know what kind of beer this is. Citra and Vic Secret Hop, Double India Pale Ale, 7.5 ABV, holy shit. Let's see if I can open this one right side up. Oh, he did it. This is a brewery. Good look, Booker. This is a brewery that I've been wanting to check out for some time. He actually introduced them to me via YouTube, him doing a lot of reviews on a microphone. Good Looks. Microphone check 1.2, double dry hopped, double India Pale Ale with Citra hops. Holy shit. And my thing, I don't have to be so in-depth about what they're about because y'all already know. Every last one of these will be reviewed. Definitely, I'm already excited. Good Looks book. Sea Snake. See, and all of these right here are pretty much beers that I can't get in Georgia. And I did the same for him as far as sending him stuff that he probably can't get where he is. District 96, never even heard of it. Energy City Brewing. That's what I'm saying. All of these are brand new to me. And this is what I like about the craft beer community, the good beer community, what I like to call it. Always looking out for each other. That's what's up. Raspberry Marbles Milkshake Style India Pale Ale 6.5 ABV. This is going to be a good one for me to try because recently my favorite or new favorite beer is one that I actually sent you, Book. It's called the Loving Cup by Monday Night Brewing Company here in Atlanta, Georgia. It's 8.3 or 8.6 ABV. I see this one right here, 6.5, and it's also a milkshake style India Pale Ale. So y'all already know that I'm gonna enjoy it, man. That's what's up, and that's what I like, man. And truthfully, I'm glad that that's how you did it because that's how I did yours. I kind of gave variety. I like giving one a piece that way. Anyone that you absolutely love, anyone that you absolutely want in the refrigerator at all times, all you gotta do is fucking, I'm gonna email away, I'm gonna text away, I'm a phone call away, I'm a DM away. All you gotta do is let me know which one that you can't go without, and I'll send you a couple 4-packs of them, man. Good Looks, Booker Leslie, as always. Definitely a good friend, and not just a normal friend, folks. Not just an Instagram friend, but a guy that I talk to at least a couple times a week over the phone. Shout out to creators, actual creators, that actually put time and effort into the things that they create. Not just holding the can. Quick knowledge nugget for you guys. This is how you pack beer mail. Real shit. I mean, y'all already saw it and I didn't emphasize it enough, but that's how you pack beer mail. He had 4 and 4. It was super snug, tight in each one of these. Now I feel like a shit for how I sent mine. However, mine's gonna get there perfectly fine as well, and you'll see. But mine was very tightly packed, but I did not think of putting them in here. And also, I owe you one, Book. You always one up in me, man. I think I shot you 6 singles. You shot 8. Now I feel bad. No gimbal needed. Straight, easy, simple video, folks. That's how it's done.